Hello mga ka-praise and worship. This is our guitar tutorial for Turn It Up by Planet Shakers. And it goes like this. Okay? The chords involved is E over G sharp or E2 over G sharp. So it's this one. Yan, 4th fret yung aking thumb. And then 4th fret din po yung the rest. Yan. And then the rest is dead string. Okay? So it's this one. E2 over G sharp and then A. C sharp minor. And then B, and then D sharp over B. So D sharp, and then lagyan natin ng B. So my thumb is on the 7th fret, and then the rest are 8th fret, the rest are dead string. Okay, yan. Okay po, ito lang po yung ating ipipress. Yung hindi po natin na-press is dead string na siya. Okay, that's D sharp over B, and then E. Yan. So those are the chords involved. Let's start. When it comes to strumming pattern, medyo magkakaiba po. Iba po yung verse at yung pre-chorus and chorus. But I'll teach you the simplest way that we can. Okay? So the intro and verse, they're just the same. We start with E2 over G sharp. And then A, C sharp minor, and B. Okay? So those are the 4 chords for intro and verse. So when it comes to strumming, pwede nyo pong gawin ganito, yung okay, so it's 1, 2 sa E over G sharp and then 1, 2, 3 sa A. And then ganoon din, C sharp minor, 1, 2 rin. 1, 2. And then B, 1, 2, 3. Yan, medyo mabilis lang po siya. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then C sharp minor, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's okay, so bago lumipat, pwede nyo pong dagdagan ng down, up. Okay? But it's fine if you don't like to. It's just additional lang if you like. So it's down, up, and then down, up. Yan. So intro and verse, they're just the same. Okay? You are here. Then, pagdating po dun sa pre-chorus is C sharp minor. Then, this is perfect. Ang chords po dun is C sharp minor. I'll show it to you later. And the strumming pattern is okay, so it's down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. Okay, I'll do it again. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. Okay? So, hindi po pwede yung basic strumming natin na down, down, up, down, down. Iba po. Okay? So, it's down, down. Yan. And then, medyo mabilis lang po siya, no? Yung, this is prophetic, I can then be, feel it in the air. Then A, we'll lift our praise. Then B, C sharp minor. Hearts open now, B, everybody singing. Then A. Then A again. Turn it up. Then E. Okay, E is sound. Ayan. Same strumming pattern. Okay, the chord is E. Sound of praise, B. Make it A. Any other. Lift him up. Okay, pause lang po ako sandali. Pwede po kasing gawin dito is yung sa make it louder. Like any other. Then, mabilis na A, B, and then E. Okay, lift him up. Pwede pong magkaroon ng ganun, no? I'll show it to you. Make it louder. Yan, ganun ang kakalabasan niya, no? Make it louder than any other. Lift him up and shout his name. Overall. Then C sharp minor. Mabilis po yung paglipat doon sa overall. C sharp minor. A. Then B. Okay, so overall. 1, 2, 3 as we praise. Okay, ulit lang po siya ng verse. And then, chorus again. And bago po mag-bridge, overall, C sharp minor, right? And then A. Okay. Bridge. A. Ayan. B. And then, ano lang po, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yan. So, it's A. And then B. C sharp minor, and then D sharp over B. Okay, D sharp over B, gawa ka ng D sharp and then B here, no? Yan, so and then our praise goes up, E. Your rain comes A. And 4 times po nung our praise goes up, your rain comes down. And then, with shouts of praise, C sharp minor. Ayan. Celebrate B. King of E2 over G sharp, glory, enter. Then A. You are right, C sharp minor. Praise is B. Oh Lord. Yeah. Turn it up. Okay, so ulit lang po ng chorus and then pag happy po ang ating worship leader, talaga pong papaulitin niya ng chorus. So, ayun po, pag nasa worship team, it's fine. Okay, it's fine lang po. And just do the same chords. Alright, so yan po ang Turn It Up by Planet Shaker. So, I hope you learn and thank you so much for watching. God bless you.